Going on, y'all? Lorenzo back with another tutorial from Blue Cow Animation. Well, it's not sort of a tutorial, but it is a live stream, right? We're doing a lot of Apex rig tests, right? Procedural rigs, some solves, some fails. Expect trial and error. Yeah. So we're about to crank this stream up, man. Let's have an exciting day. Right now we're down in Houston, Texas. It's we're expecting a winter storm, so you know we hanging in, hanging in. So let's I'm gonna let my dog out back for a while. We finna get ready and jump into this thing, right? Making a post for Discord. Alright. So I was already kind of messing with it last night. We're trying to like see how can we use the race op inside of the Apex to get this eye to kind of perform some ray operations for us, right? So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. Let me get this link from YouTube. All right, let's get on it, right? So let's do like an unpack code. Still exploring with the component script right now. We're gonna unpack it, right? Let's do the base rig. Base rig. Right. Let's do a layout. Apex layout grab. Let's use that a little. See what we working with. All right, let's keep going. So yeah, we just unpacked it, right? We got all of our got all of our crazy, huh? It looks crazy, huh? So what we're gonna do is let's do it the edit graph. Plug the edit graph. Reset the input. Now we have to edit these, right? These are my matrix 4 values for my rest global scale for my IK leg. Let's kind of move those out the way. I don't have to. I just like touching stuff. Like I did say we're gonna be breaking things, right? We ain't gonna break it too bad. Got all of our inputs. As you can see, we got a lot of joints, a lot of bones, a lot of controls. Um, right now I don't even know how many controls and blend shapes we have. It's in the hundreds, and depending on how detailed you're going, it can get even more. It can get into the thousands. Right? So we got everything, right? All right, we're looking for a node, right? Let's look for the base shape. Base shape. This should be running to this. It's not into a point transform. It's into let's do a value, like a geometry. Yeah, a base shape. Do that right there, right? Let's drop down a erase up. We're gonna also take we got our base scale, right? We're gonna take the joint. We're looking for the eyeball joint. So let's search the eyeball. But let's try this. Since we got the base shape, we're gonna take the purple. Let's try to make this straight. base shape. Shape, right? Let's see if some type of way we got to figure now. We got to figure out how to get the group or create groups from the mesh, right? And we already know the mesh have groups. We got the eyeball group. So let's just go back up and check it, right? Go back up to the so if we look, let's see. We have all our detail attributes. We have our name, right? No, no, now we got 90 strings. Right? So we're gonna go and isolate that so we can see exactly what their name is. So we won't forget. And matter of fact, we're on the wrong thing, right? We should go to the base shape. We got blend shape kind of name. Got our name attribute. We got 3 strings. Then we have our path. So we're gonna use the path. Path. We're gonna turn it to a group. Let's create these groups, right? Instead of even doing the path, we can just create these groups, right? So let's go to group create. All right. We probably should have did this before we stashed the Apex edit graph and stuff in, but it's okay because we're still at the beginning stage. On our base shape, we're gonna do a group create. We're gonna dive inside it. We're gonna do $OS. This just be direct left eyeball. Let's practice name prevention left eyeball, right? So we're gonna select the left eyeball. So keep procedural since we already had the path. We can just go find the left eyeball path, which is all together just on the eyeballs. So we won't be able to do that. We'll have to separate. So we just do like that. Left eyeball, right? Create another group. We're gonna do left eye. That's left, that's the right. So let's change the name, man. We did that wrong. Not the left, it's the right. So now we got these two groups. If we look, we got the right eye pupil and we got the right eyeball. Let's try to go back to this edit graph, right? We probably have to do this step over. I just for safe measure, let's reset. All right. Go back to this base shape. Make that big so we can dive inside and really see what's going on. Go back to the base shape. We're dropping it down here just to do it. Let's drop the value geometry node again. Let's search group. All this is experimental. Because I don't know all of the nodes for Apex and things like that. So yeah, we just going with the flow. So we got group combine, group copy, group crack, group delete, group, different types of groups from names, group range. Um yeah, we got different groups. But if we drop this sub node, we should be able to select the group that we want. Yeah, at the top we can type in the group, right? So Now, the part we need to do is figure out how to, we want to extract or separate. Oh, so we got geo, extract pack geo, and we got the prim number. That may come useful. We might have to see about that. Let's just put that to the side and add a color to it, something like yellow. You know, we're gonna come back and kind of check with that. Let's go back and check out some more geometry. We got intersect, lattice, got merge. Okay, okay. Got replace. Now, this seems replace. We're looking for something to kind of split this, separate, you know, the groups, because if you notice the erase up, you can only kind of use one group. So what we want to do is we want to split the eyeball pupil and the eyeball by groups, right? Inside of Apex. So, you know, I'm pretty sure we're gonna do it. Normally I would go try to research and see how to do it, but right now, we in this together. We doing our own researching. We playing with Apex. We feeding our brain. This is what this main live stream is about. It's a way that I learned Houdini. Before I even like read the documentations and watch YouTube videos, I just went on there and I got to reading the names and clicking and grabbing and just experimenting with different things. So this is what we doing today, right? So I see something say array move geometry. That look interesting, right? Let's see what this look like. Okay. Geometry array. Okay, so we got some say string. We can split the string, right? The string split. So let's try geometry string. I wonder what that brings up. Yeah, look, okay, we got the string, right? So we got the string split. We got geo, fine, prim, attribute. So it looked like we're gonna be looking at these fine prim or fine point attributes. So let's try to find prim attribute value. This look more promising right here, right? We got the attribute name, then we got the value. The attribute name should be, is it, let's go back. We're gonna start. Is it group? The value should be name. We got fine. Okay, we got fine attribute string, right? So this the one we got. And then we're gonna do the one with the point as well. So we got these two, right? We're just gonna take both of them and pipe them into the base shape geo. I'm having a good feeling that these might be the nodes we need. All right. I'll just say this. We just call this right. All right. Let's go back and you know we have the race up, right? We're gonna compare these two. Go back to here and I pin this. I can pull up the race up and I can compare. So we got the group and then we got the collision group. So we may don't need to find the print. We may can just use that, but we're gonna test it out. So we got the right eyeball. Let's just duplicate duplicate that one more time. Right. Do this. Just pipe that into the base shape as well. You say base shape me. All right, base shape. Right. Let's take the we want the collision geometry to be the actual eyeball. So for collision, let's go here, right? No, that's wrong. I'm sorry. Let's go geo. Second input we put the eyeball. The first input we put the pupil, right? Do that. Mm, let's let's delete these for right now because we're getting an error, right? We're gonna go ahead and pack this back up just so we can debug it at the same time, right? So let's drop down a pack folder. We're going straight from the auto rig component. And we're going from the edit graph back in. We're going base rig, right? Base rig, and then we're gonna drop down a scene animate. Right. Got that. So right now we really don't got nothing too crazy going on. We're gonna hide those controls, kind of look at the eyes and see what it's doing. All right, upstream I had put array, and we're gonna get rid of that. Let's break that connection and just go back like this. So you should see the eyeball fix. All right. So yeah, we got that. We got the SOP right here pinned. Let's run this geo back into. Make sure we hook these connections. We got this as the base. Yeah, so we're gonna run this after the blend shape. It should work after the blend shape. If you look at the geo, we got geo and it should go into base shape. Right? We don't want to run it before our blend shape. We want to run it after the blend shape, right? So let's break these connections. Just take all of this and move it up. Good. So we're gonna take this, go here, there, go there, right? Bring that back down and see what we got going. Because it may break, so let's just make a reference. Now, we're gonna take geo. Let's go to the first one. All right. And then you see we reset. We getting something right now. So that's what I want to see. Mm-hmm. That's exactly what I want to see, right? So now it look like the ray's working. Let's just test it out. Let's keep going further. Now we're gonna go to our ray sub, right? Let's just mess with a few parameters on here and see if we getting any type of result. So we got our scale, our lift. We gotta reset. Yeah, so we is getting results, right? Getting some. So now let's try to separate these two groups. So we got the main group is the, let's do sprite purple, right? And the collision group should be right. All right. Where it say method, we got these different switches. So we go back to our array and we look at our method. We got minimum projected rays and minimum distance. So we're gonna switch it over to minimum distance, right? Go back to our scene animate. Set it. Let's do the lift. See what we get. Yeah. Set it. You just want to make sure these groups are being calculated correctly. We got entity is parameters. So by default parameters. That's right. Screen. You got the direction. I wonder how to do this group right now. Like do 9 group type, group base group. Still need the points of the base group. I want to do in the group. Do we put like at so we can just separate the group type? At. We move the group. So right now we know we are inputting the groups wrong. All right. For some reason the groups are being inputted wrong. So to do that, let's do the, see if this works right. Let's see if this works. Take this and drag it in. What we get? Got nothing, right? So let's try this. Human script import stop node OGJ Geo. We're on the stage context, right? So we're going to start grade 2. Grade. We're looking for this ray 2. Did that ray And let's look at how he did those. See, the thing about it, it brought it in, but it didn't keep the groups, right? That's the problem. So now we gotta see how to get these groups in, right? Let's Apex Houdini. Stop. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, nothing. You use the blast top, right? So it's not bad.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
Oh, we gotta figure out how to get this. Wow. I need to make me some cow. Yeah. two apex nails. One for the pupil, one for the eyeball. Let's try this. There's gonna be a lot of trial and error. A lot of trial and error. We're gonna do find it. Brim. Brim. Value. This shit disappear if we reset. Value nothing. They're giving me so many runarounds.
For our opening act, Arnold will sing a song accompanied by Gerald on piano. For our opening act, Arnold will sing a song accompanied by Gerald on piano.
Gonna be a long day. So, all right. So we got the race up, but the naming, right? Yeah, I look at. It. Now what we working on is trying to get the our frequency station. Right? Or
For our opening act, Arnold will sing a song accompanied by Gerald on piano.
keep going, right? That's a disconnect, huh? So we is reading a little of the documentation. Where I'm getting nothing, man, because of these groups.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
Every little trick I done seen done before.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
For our opening act, Arnold will sing a song accompanied by Gerald on piano.
I gotta do a little quick little video too. Like this, so I got the race up. gonna work on that type of group, and nothing happens. Anybody in the chat know how I can find these names? I am happy because we do got the race stop working, but right now we need to identify the name without unpacking it and separating. Because we unpack and separate it, what that'll make another base shape. We have to make another bone deform, right? For the eyes and the pupil go with the race stop. All that. We just want to separate this group. See, we go here. Let's see. You need these groups. Let's try to extract. You still haven't tried this tag Geo. So prim number. We gotta do the prim number. Let's check it. So we got the tag. Let's go 0, 0, 1, 2. Prim number is 0. Huh? Mm-mm. No. Somebody supposed to got there last night.
No.
I know that. Let's try pattern. See what we get. All right, now it look like we getting some. With that pattern right there. Let's try the collision. Right eyeball, right eye. Might get a crash.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
This have to be a bug. Gotta be.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
Let's see if this works. This might just be the simple approach. The dictionary. Uh-uh. Lauren, go on upstairs, go in your room. Don't do that with that. Y'all don't talk to each other. Just go on upstairs. Bye bye.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
To the red.